Hi guys, I'll show you now how you tighten up the chain of your chainsaw. You see, my chainsaw is steel, the chain is hanging down, and with this one, this nut and this screw, you tighten the chain up. Okay, first of all, you open this nut, you loosen it, and then you twist the screw. You see, the chain is tightening up, and then finally, until the chain reached the bottom of this third, you go to a piece of wood or your cover of your third, and then you just do like that. You hold the chainsaw like that, balancing the weight on this piece of wood, and then you close the nuts again. And now a check. The chain is perfectly tightened if you can pull it without a lot of hindrance. But as you can see, it still needs some more. Okay, we repeat this opening. Twisting the screw again, maybe a half revolution. Okay, and then we use this piece of wood again, tightening up the nuts again. Okay, and now we check. That is perfectly tightened now. That is the way it should be. Perfect. Okay, and then another information. This chainsaw has its tightening screw over there, but there are some chainsaws, the brands, they have their screws over there. You need to figure out either the screw is there for tightening up or at this side, but the most chainsaws have their screws here among these nuts. Okay, bye bye guys, enjoy your chainsaw.